Hey, my name's Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. We have the largest selection of used and new Class B RVs in the country, all in the beautiful sunny state of Florida. We welcome you to come visit Disney, come visit anything, the beaches, but also come visit our Class B RV dealership. Today, I'm extremely excited to be sharing with you one of the first in the country, the 2020 American Coach Patriots. American Coach makes a bunch of big, huge, beautiful buses, and now they're starting to make some Class B RVs. Now, this is one of the first 2020s in the nation, and it has the brand new Mercedes Sprinter chassis. So I cannot wait to tell you guys and show you all these awesome features. Now that we're inside the American Coach Patriot, I can't wait to show you some of the features that Mercedes did to upgrade this cockpit experience. This is where in the past they didn't pay much attention to. They really paid a lot of attention to the RV and the coach part, but now this up here is just as comfortable as any Mercedes that's on the road today and just as comfortable as the rest of the RV. American Coach, as everybody knows, is one of the most luxurious RV makers on the market. So they make this Class B RV the same way that they're making their big Class A's. The high quality craftsmanship, the woodworking, the leather everywhere, the nice Corian, the granite, the high end, everything that they do, American Coach put into this. Now Mercedes also redesigned this entire area. From both of these seats are full power, both of them are heated. They have the brand new infotainment system here, where you have an on-demand camera, you have the intelligent navigation, Bluetooth, satellite radio, everything you can think of in the infotainment up front. But then also you have a button here that opens and closes the side power door. Yes, it is a power door. First time ever they have a power sliding door on a Class B RV. There's also the button to push start the engine. So like I said earlier, keys in your wife's purse, you jump in the coach, you're not digging around to find the key. You get in, put your foot on the brake, press the button, the engine starts. It's beautiful. I mean, it's something that just makes it so much easier. American Coach went a step above and they put in a control panel for the RV up front. So Firefly has a multiplex system in the entire coach. So what that controls is your awning. It controls every light. With one press, you can press every light on, every light off. You can control them individually. It controls your generator, your air conditioner, like I said, your power awning, gives you all your tank readings. It controls everything in the RV from one central panel. That panel's in the kitchen, but what American Coach did, they went above and beyond. They put a panel up front so you can start your generator from back here. You can turn your lights on and off from back here, change the temperature of the rear of the coach from up here. There's also another one of these panels in the rear. So you have 3 places in this RV that you can control everything from a screen. To even go beyond that, you have an app on your phone. You can control all of that from your app. So if you want to start your generator from up front while you're driving and turn your air conditioner on, you can do it all while you're driving down the road. So American Coach once again really outdid themselves when they designed this entire coach. Now, I love this little workstation here. When I'm on the road, I like to bring my laptop, my iPad. There's a little desk right here with a TV. So this TV can be a TV to watch TV on, or it can be a computer monitor. So if you want to have a laptop here, you can have dual monitors up front for any type of work you're doing, for showing people things that's on your phone. You can just broadcast it up here through the Apple TV. There's just, I mean, the possibilities are endless. I can film a 30-minute video with all the cool features that are in this American Coach. I will not bore you to death, I promise. But I think that a lot of this stuff really needs to get brought up, because when you just walk in and just see it, you're like, oh, it's pretty, but you don't really realize what's beyond the pretty and the luxury of an American Coach Patriot. So as we show you the rest of the RV, I'm going to show you the kitchen, I'm going to show you the bathroom, and then we'll even walk back even more, and I'll show you the bedroom and all the storage that it has as well. So follow me towards the back of the coach. Now that we're in the galley of this American Coach Patriot, you can really see the high-end and luxury appointments all throughout the coach. From the high-end wood to the leather-wrapped walls to every Corian countertops, induction stove, everything that American Coach does, they go above and beyond to make sure that it is very luxurious. They don't skimp, they don't go cheap on anything. Very, very high quality build inside the coach. This is the Firefly Multiplex system that I explained earlier. There are 3 locations around the coach that you can use this. One up front by the driver's seat, this one here, and there's one closer to the bedroom. The one in the bedroom actually controls the bed going up and down. There again, you can also control all of that through an app on your phone. Very easy to control everything in this RV. All of the systems in this are very high tech. So you have 200 amps of solar, the solar controllers here. You have a instant hot water heater through the whole coach. So your shower, both of your sinks, everything is instant hot water. You're not limited to a 6-gallon hot water tank. It is instant. As you have water, as you're hooked up to city water, hot water is flowing through there to take a shower. There's a 2,000 watt inverter. So if you need a CPAP machine, if you want to plug in cell phone chargers, anything you want to plug in to the 110 cords or plugs can go through the 2,000 watt inverter, and you can use it without your generator being on, which is great. Now, if you're plugged into a campground, you can use everything as well. As we keep walking through the kitchen here, you'll see there's lots of storage underneath. There's 3 drawers. There are big cabinets with nice high-end hardware. As you keep going, you have an induction stove with Corian countertops. You have a large 2-door fridge. So this fridge is on top, the freezer is on the bottom. This is one of the biggest fridges you'll have in the Class B RV, which is great. You have a convection microwave, so if you want to bake some cookies, which I love, you can bake cookies while you're traveling, which is great. One other thing American Coach did was they wanted to make sure you had a wardrobe cabinet on the road. So this is where you would hang stuff up, you can store stuff, you can get very creative with this very large wardrobe cabinet. As you keep walking through the coach, you'll see that everything is leather wrapped. There's no vinyl, there's no PVC, there's no cheap plastic corrugated anything. Everything is leather wrapped. It's great for insulation, it's great for noise dampening, it's great just for the comfort of the coach. If you're walking around, you really feel like you're in something high-end. American Coach upgraded the stereo back here. There's a JL audio stereo throughout the entire coach. You can. There's also a 24-inch Samsung TV back here with a Blu-ray player, and then this sofa here, nice high-end leather. It can be a sofa that has 3 seat belts. It can also fold flat and be a king-size bed. So very comfortable. I actually enjoy sitting on it a lot. Very comfortable sofa here. Very comfortable back area. So you got shades, you got screens, you got a rear screen, a side screen for the power sliding door. So American Coach wants to make this luxurious for you to drive. If a lot of people use them to go from point A to point B with style, with a little comfort. But then you can also camp in. If you just want to go camping for a week or 2, a month, this is a perfect RV to go camping in. So I will say, kind of in closing, that American Coach is a phenomenal coach builder. They build the big Class A's, and now they start building these Class B's. You will not be disappointed. They come with a 3-year warranty that can be worked on anywhere in the country. And then the Mercedes warranty is also a 3-year warranty, or 5-year on the powertrain. So Mercedes believes in their product, they stand behind it. American Coach believes in their product, they stand behind it. And we believe in American Coach. We think they're a great company. We do have this video up on our website. We have 40 or 50 more pictures of this coach on our website. If you want to check it out, it's at sunshine-statervs.com. You can check it out there. You can give me a call. I'm happy to personally answer any questions you have, walk you through this, come in here with you, FaceTime, talk you on the phone, whatever we got to do to help you find the perfect Class B RV for your traveling, for whatever it is you're going to do. Check out the rest of our videos. I think you're going to find some stuff you like. Thank you.